What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you an overview of the Arc browser, which is developed by the browser company. Arc browser is one of the best browsers that you can use. It's been available on Mac and iOS for a long time, and it is finally now available for Windows 11. And unlike traditional browsers, Arc offers a unique, streamlined interface designed to enhance productivity and organization, rather than simply displaying web pages. It also boasts a strong privacy policy, ensuring no data is sold, leaked, or tracked. So let's get right to the video. Now what you want to do is to go to arc.net, and here you get a quick peek at the Arc browser interface and some of the key features, which I'm going to demonstrate in this video. Now here to download it, simply click on download for Mac or for Windows. And since I'm using a Mac here, MacBook, I'm going to download Arc for Mac. So click on it, and now it begins the download process here. And now, as you can see, the download is complete. So let's open the file and then drag the Arc icon to the application folder. And now to run it, I'll simply open it. So Arc. If you're using Windows, simply go to the start menu and open it there. And now these steps are for only the first time you install it. So I'm going to open it. So a cool animation here for the first time you launch it. And now you first need to create an account. So I'm going to add here my name, email, password, and confirm it, and then get back to you pretty quickly. Okay, and now agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then create an account. Or if you do already have an account, simply sign in with it. Okay, create an account, and it'll run you through a quick setup here. Now you can go ahead and import like your passwords, accounts, and everything from other browsers that are installed on your system. For me, I have Chrome and Safari installed, so it asks me if I want to import my data from any of them. However, I don't want to do so right now. Next. Okay, I can choose some apps that I use the most, and these apps are going to be pinned to my favorites, which I'll show you later. So for me, I'll just select YouTube, Notion, and Gmail. Okay, next, or you can skip for now. However, I'm going to continue the setup process. Okay, you can select some colors here, and this color will be the general theme color for your browser. Let's select this yellow color, and as you can see here, it gives you a preview of how it'll look like, and you can like adjust the brightness or the vibrance of the color. Okay, let's see this one. No, I like the yellow better. Okay, next. And here it asks me if I want to enable the ad blocker, so yes. Okay, next. And here it asks me if I want to enable Arc Max using AI. I don't want to use it right now. Okay, go steady, making Arc the default browser or no. So I'm going to keep using Chrome as my default browser for now. However, if you are intending to use it, of course you want to check the yes and make the Arc browser your default system browser. Okay, next. And here it's finally set up. So get started. And now here it's opened. Now it tells you that you need to click on Command T to open your first tab. Okay, so alternatively, you can open it from here, from the menu on the left. Now, a unique thing or a unique trait about the Arc browser is that the address bar and all your buttons are on the left instead of at the top here in any other browser. So I'm going to like open, for example, Wikipedia as a new tab here. And as you can see, Wikipedia is now loaded. Now, this menu hosts your address bar, your menu buttons, your back, forward, and refresh. And here you have your favorites. So this is the first feature I want to mention in Arc browser, is that your favorites are displayed right here. And if you remember, in the setup process, I chose Gmail, Notion, and YouTube. Now let's say I want to remove Notion and add Wikipedia as a new favorite right here. So I'm going to right click on Notion and choose remove favorite. Okay, now I have only Gmail and YouTube. Now to add Wikipedia, simply make sure you have opened it as a tab and then drag it to the top here. And as you can see here, you can add it to your favorites and even rearrange the favorites as you want. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to add it at the beginning here, and now it's added to your favorites. And now you have three favorites: the Wikipedia, the Gmail, and YouTube. And I have here the option to access the address bar and open any website that I want. Let's open, for example, ChatGPT. Okay, and as you can see, the tabs are displayed right here, and this is ChatGPT. Now, another great feature I want to show you in Arc Browser, and that is Spaces. So Spaces means that you like have a bunch of tabs and rearrange them in a group, and once you open this space, you'll have these tabs ready. So it's pretty convenient and it's pretty useful for you if you want to create, for example, a group of tabs that you open frequently for work. You can have a space for work, a space for shopping, for example, a space for reading, you name it. So to create a new space, you simply go here to the plus icon in the bottom left part, and then here add a new space. So for this space, I'll just rename it shopping. Okay. For the profile, I'll just leave it as default here. And now I need to choose, or I can choose a theme. You can leave it as the default theme for your browser to have all your spaces with one theme. However, I myself prefer to have different colors or different themes for different spaces. So for this one, let's choose, for example, the this purple color or this like pinkish color. Okay, and then create this space. And here you notice that you have a new dot available, which indicates the spaces. So the spaces are here shown by dots. Here you have the first space that is created by default once you install Arc. And this is the new space. You can click on the dot to quickly access it. Now here, you can simply open new tabs in the shopping space. So I'll open, for example, aliexpress.com. And now AliExpress is opened, as you can see. Now let's open up, like for example, eBay. Okay, and eBay is now open. Now I have two tabs here in the like shopping space. And if I go here to my default space or the first space here, I have ChatGPT, Google, YouTube, and also my favorites. Now let's say I have a tab here opened and I want to add it to my space. So let's say I want to add ChatGPT for to the shopping space for some reason. All you need to do is to right click on this tab right here, and then you want to go to move to, and here you have your spaces, space 1 and shopping. And once it's added to the shopping, it'll open the shopping space, and boom, here you have ChatGPT opened and added in it. Now, another feature that I want to show you is the split view, which is pretty useful if you want to open two tabs side by side instead of just like switching back and forth between them. So let's say I want to open YouTube and ChatGPT in one view. All you have to do is go ahead to, or let's say in the shopping space, I want to open, for example, eBay and AliExpress. Let's say I want to compare prices for like some specific items. All you need to do is right click on the tab that you want to open in split view. And here you have the option to open in split view. And here it is, the eBay is opened in split view. And here you have a preview of the two websites that are open now. Here you have eBay and the other one is ChatGPT. And let's say I want to remove ChatGPT. Here you'll have eBay in full page. And now you have only AliExpress and eBay. Now if I go here and add split view, you will have the option to choose the other website that you want in the split view. So I'll choose AliExpress, and now you have a split view, and when the cursor is on one part, you can control it with your trackpad on your MacBook or Windows. So here I can control both of these websites simultaneously, which is pretty useful. Now, another great feature that I want to show in this video is that you can install Google Chrome extensions on your Arc browser. So that's pretty cool. The Google extension store has thousands and thousands of useful extensions, and you won't lose them if you switch to using Arc browser. And to install them, it's pretty easy. Simply go to the menu here at the top. Now, since I'm using Mac OS on a MacBook, you have your menu option or menu items at the top here. If you are using Windows, the Windows version, you should have a button here for the Arc, from which you can have the option to install the extensions. Now, for me, I'll just click on extensions here. And here you have the option to manage or add extensions. If I click on add extension, it'll open up the Chrome web store here for extensions, and I can install the extension that I want. So for the sake of this video, I'll just choose a random extension here. Let's choose Grammarly, click on it, and you can simply click on add here to Chrome to install it simply as you'd install any other extension, add extensions. And here it is in a quick overview of the Arc browser. Personally, I think it's a great browser. It has lots of unique features and a different look to it. So I do highly recommend you give it a shot, download it and try it, and I'm sure that you will like it.